everybody, it's Dawn, your Pookalita, back again with another hopefully helpful video. Today's video we can thank Shauna and Tasha. They're fans on our Facebook page, and I asked everybody if I was going to make another video, what is it that they'd like to learn about? And they both said things for the face. At Pooka, we don't really make anything for the face right now, but I do have some natural things that I like to use. And actually, once I looked at it, the newsletter last week was about oatmeal, but I didn't get a chance to do a video because I was kind of on vacation. So today's video is part 2 of oatmeal. So I'm just going to tell you some of the benefits of this nice little container of oatmeal. Besides eating it for breakfast and all the benefits we talked about in the newsletter, and our little blueberries to it, there's so many things you can do with oatmeal for your face and for beauty. And we're just going to quickly go through a couple of different things. I like oatmeal with a little milk as an oatmeal cleanser. Now, oatmeal for your face is really nice because it's a very gentle exfoliant. So you want to use something not so harsh on your face. So this is something that you can just do very easily at home. Milk is wonderful because it has lactic acid in it, so it's a great moisturizer for your skin. It has vitamins A and D. We all remember Cleopatra taking her milk bath. So anything with milk in it for your skin, fabulous. So you are supposed to ground your oatmeal, okay, so that it's a nice fine powder. I don't have a coffee grounder here, but you're just going to pretend that these are ground up. So you would take some oatmeal, and then this is just milk. I'd say 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk, maybe 3. And almost just to make like, let's pour a little more, just to make a little paste. And you can store this in your house, or you can just make a little bit at a time, so that you don't have a lot left over. And what you're going to do, once you have your little oatmeal paste, and once you ground these up, it's going to be a little more fine, is you're just going to take this, go over your whole face. It's wonderful as a cleanser. Just cleanse everywhere, rinse off with warm water, pat dry. Nice, economical, very good for you, oatmeal cleanser. Then almost kind of on the same premise, this is a big container of baking soda, we can make an oatmeal scrub. So same thing, you're just going to put some oatmeal in it, and a little bit of baking soda, nice and coarse. And you're going to add some distilled water. When you're doing things with beauty products, always use distilled water. And you're going to make a nice paste out of this. Anything with oatmeal is definitely going to be a paste. Now this, you probably can make it a little bit drier than you did the cleanser. You take this, massage this into your entire face. This is going to exfoliate. Actually, you don't even really need to grind these if you're going to exfoliate, because you want it a little more coarse. So baking soda, water, oatmeal, mix a paste, exfoliate. You can let it stay on your face for 2 seconds if you want to let it dry. Rinse it off, put a little moisturizer on it. There you go. Now this actually, I'm straying from oatmeal for a second because a lot of people asked about a natural toner. You all know I love my organic apple cider vinegar. I like the Bragg's version. It actually has like the little things in it, so you can kind of see it's sort of thick. But vinegar makes a wonderful toner because it helps the pH balance in your skin. So what I usually do is I just take half apple cider vinegar. Yes, I'm spilling it, but hey, I'm going to keep going. There we go. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. I'd say half. You could probably fill it a little more. And again, your distilled water. A lot of people don't love the smell, but it will dissipate after you have it on your skin. Mix this up. Put a little top on it. Cotton balls. This is your toner. Very easy. And like I said, I also take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar every day just to be a little healthier. So this is a great easy toner. So now you've got some cleanser, you've got a little exfoliator, and you got a little toner. But something else that I'm also concerned with is my hands. As I get a little older, I mean I am almost 21, whatever. As I get a little older, I worry about my hands and just wrinkling. And a lot of times we just kind of ignore our hands. So out of oatmeal, you can also make a nice hand scrub, which is something nice to do. We're going to have our hand model come over, and she's going to sample our hand scrub. A little bit of oatmeal, a little bit of olive oil. Remember we talked about the wonderful benefits of olive oil? And some pure lemon juice. We're going to mix that up. I'm going to use my hands because it's actually a hand scrub, so we're going to use my hands. Just mix it up. Going to put it in our hands. There you go. And then you're just going to actually scrub both sides of your hands. The olive oil, wonderfully moisturizing. The oatmeal is exfoliating through your hands. The lemon juice is also wonderful. It kind of feels and looks a little messy, but it will leave your hands really nice and soft. Make sure we get all those oatmeal lines off. And then when you're done that, you just towel dry. The skin's absorbing the olive oil. There we go. And it kind of will look like this, the consistency of a little paste. And then after you're finished, if you'd like to dab a little bit of moisturizer on your hands. But we can't neglect our hands. So even if you do this maybe once a week, just to get rid of that rough skin on the outside of your hands. And she's using some Pooka whipped cream. Yes, there is a shameless plug in every video I do. So hopefully this was very helpful for you, and you have learned some of the benefits of oatmeal besides eating it. So take care. See you soon.